Hey fellow green thumbs, welcome back to another exciting gardening adventure. Got a small backyard but dreams of a big harvest? Don't worry, you're not alone. I'm here to help you maximize your garden space with the top 5 high-yield vegetables perfect for small backyards. These veggies are not only space efficient but also incredibly rewarding. Let's dive right in and explore these fantastic options. First up, we've got radishes. These little guys are superstars in small gardens. They're quick to grow and don't require much space. They grow fast, ready to harvest in just about 3 to 4 weeks, and guess what? You can enjoy their peppery crunch in no time. You can plant them close together, making the most of every inch you've got, perfect for those tight spaces. Next, let's talk about tomatoes, specifically cherry tomatoes. These are a must-have for any small garden. These compact plants produce loads of sweet, juicy tomatoes, and they love growing in containers. They're perfect for adding a burst of flavor to your salads and dishes. Just make sure they get plenty of sun and a sturdy support to climb on. A little care goes a long way with these beauties. Before you know it, you'll be picking fresh tomatoes straight off the vine. Imagine the taste of homegrown tomatoes, delicious. Coming in at number 3, we've got lettuce. This leafy green is a staple in many gardens. Leafy greens like lettuce are fantastic for small spaces. They're versatile and can be grown in various setups. You can grow them in containers, raised beds, or even vertical gardens. The possibilities are endless, plus they're perfect for successive planting. This means you can enjoy fresh lettuce throughout the growing season. That means you can plant new seeds every couple of weeks for a continuous harvest. Fresh salads, anyone? It's like having a salad bar in your backyard. Fourth on the list is bush beans. These are a fantastic choice for small gardens. These plants are a compact version of pole beans and don't need a lot of room to produce a hefty yield. They're efficient and productive. They're easy to grow and great for small gardens. Even if you're a beginner, you'll find them quite manageable. Just plant the seeds after the last frost, give them some water, and watch them thrive. They're resilient and rewarding. Last but definitely not least, we've got bell peppers. These vibrant veggies are a garden favorite. These colorful veggies are not only a visual treat, but also highly productive. They add a splash of color to your garden and your plate. They do well in containers and small garden plots. Their versatility makes them a great choice for any gardener. Just give them plenty of sunlight and regular watering, and you'll have a bountiful supply of crisp, delicious peppers. They're perfect for adding crunch to your meals, so there you have it. Radishes, cherry tomatoes, lettuce, bush beans, and bell peppers. 5 high-yield vegetables that'll maximize your small garden space and keep you harvesting all season long. Got any other small garden favorites? We'd love to hear about them. Drop them in the comments below. Sharing is caring, and we're all here to learn from each other. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening. Catch you in the next one. Until then, keep those gardens growing and those thumbs green. See you soon.